Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga, and welcome to this 15-minute balanced flow. So we'll be working in the vinyasa tradition of flowing with the breath. As always, there'll be different options, and know that you can flow in and out of vinyasa from the chair, just folding over the lap and just lifting and lifting the arms, taking hold of the back of the chair. So know that you can do that as a practice as well. It's, wonderfully healing, all connected with the breath. So I don't have anything with me, but if you need anything to support your body, please do have that to hand. Make sure that you're well hydrated and that your space is clear. And we shall begin. So come into a comfortable seated position, press the palms together, sit tall, take a long inhale. Oh. Keeping the eyes closed, gently bow the gaze. Feeling the vibration of Om begin to tune in to how the body feels today. The flow of thoughts and emotions. And begin to connect to the Ujjayi or ocean breath, which will act as our guiding light throughout this practice. Know if the breathing becomes labored or disrupted, to always choose a more accessible option. The breath always comes first. So then taking a deeper breath in, exhale, gently open the eyes. So from here, we'll make our way through to an all-fours position, or you'll bring your hands to the lap if you're in the chair. From here, we'll just begin with Majariasana, the cat pose, just limber up the spine initially. So inhale, belly dips, shoulders draw back, gaze lifts. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, round the back, chin to chest. And again, inhaling. So you lift the chest. You might take hold of the back of the chair if you're in the chair. Exhaling round to the back of the chair, chin to chest, or arch the back if you're on the mat. We've got one more round. Inhale. Vinyasana means to connect breath with movement to enter the flow. Exhale, which will be the idea with this balanced flow. So then inhale, come into a tabletop position. And exhale from here. Tuck the toes under, rock forward, inhale. Exhale, coming into Ardha Mukha Svanasana, downward dog. And begin to walk the dog. Hands are shoulder distance, feet are hip distance, let the head dangle as you connect with your Ujjayi breath. Good. You can stretch the legs forward if you're in the chair. Just peel the toes back and alternate the knees. Press out of the shoulders. You might reach the heels down as you lengthen through the spine. And then bend the knees. Inhale, look forward, walk the feet towards the hands. Exhale. Inhale, slide the hands to the shins, lift the chest. Exhale as you fold. Now you can bend your knees. Inhale as you rise all the way up. And exhale, Samastitihi, hands to the side of the body. Whichever base you're in, inhale, scoop the arms up. Exhale, fold forward, go down. Bend the knees, you need to. Inhale, bring the hands to the shins. Exhale, step back into plank or knees down plank. And chaturanga, squeeze your elbows back as you lower the body. Inhale, bring the elbows forward. So come to a little baby sphinx pose, lift the chest. Exhale, drop the shoulders. We'll stay for an extra breath here. Inhale, think about lifting the chest forward, don't squeeze the glutes. And then exhale, lower down. Use the knees, squeeze your elbows together. Inhale, back to tabletop, tuck the toes. And exhale, push back into downward dog. Even out the breath. So that's an option for what essentially is Surya Namaskar A or Sun Salute A. You might continue working with that or with the chair option. And then bend the knees, inhale, step, jog or jump through. Exhale to fold. Inhale to rise up. Exhale, Samastitihi. And again, inhale, swoosh the arms up. Exhale to fold, go down. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, step or jump back through plank and lower the body, chaturanga. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. See what feels appropriate in your body. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Inhale, float the left leg up behind you. Point the toes. Exhale, draw the left knee into the belly. Inhale, step the left foot by the left hand, stay on the toes of the back foot. Inhale as you lift up to crescent moon pose. Exhale, so bending through the front knee. Good. The chair, you just step the same leg forward, the other leg out to the side with the arms up. From here, bring the left hand to the sacrum. Exhale and come into a twist. So you might stay high. You might take the elbow over and lift the chest towards the thumbs. Wherever you are, keep breathing. Good. Sinking through the lower body. And squeeze the inner thighs together. Use Mula Bandha. Inhale, come back to crescent moon. Exhale, fold forward, step back. And we'll go through our vinyasa, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Back bend of choice. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Inhale, float the right leg up, point the toes, keep the hips closed. Exhale, right knee into belly. Ujjayi breathing. Inhale, step the right foot by the right hand, stabilize. Exhale, press through the front heel as you lift up. Drop the shoulders. Breathing. You need to bring the hands to the hips or prayer hands as an alternative, that's fine. Keep sinking. Right hand to the sacrum. Exhale, coming into twist. Remember your options here. Make the breath happen as you lift the back kneecap. Good, and then stabilize, squeeze. Inhale, lift back up into crescent moon. Good, exhale, bring the hands down, step back into plank position, lower the body. Inhaling to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Even out the breath. Remember, you can always come down to child pose. Rest when you need to rest. Otherwise, inhale, bring the left heel in. Exhale, step through with the right foot as we come to Virabhadrasana B. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, coming into Warrior Two. Inhale, drop the left arm back, reach the right arm up, coming into Reverse Warrior. Just feel that side stretch. Exhale. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, right forearm to thighs. We come to extended side angle. Stretch through the fingertips, drop the right shoulder. And then inhale, back to Warrior Two. Exhale, bring the arms down, step back, lower the body. Inhaling to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Inhale, bring the right heel in. Exhale, step through with the left leg. Inhale, stabilize, lift up to Warrior Two. Exhale, check your line, make sure your knees moving towards your little toe. Try and lift through the back inner thigh and drop the back arm back. Exhale into Reverse Warrior. Keep bending into that front knee. Inhale, lift up, lean forward. Exhale, forearm down. Swoosh the right arm across. Choose your drishti down to the side or up towards the fingertips. Keep breathing. And then inhale, lift back up to Warrior Two. Exhale, hands come down, step back, lower the body. Knees down is always an option. Inhaling to lift, open the heart. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Again, even out the breath. Good. From here, inhale, look forward up onto the toes, step, jog, or jump through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, and just swim the arms back and down. And then inhale, sit back into Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale to fold, straighten the legs. Inhale, bring the hands to the shins, lift the chest. Exhale, step back with the right leg. Bring the right knee down, keep the toe tucked if you can live with it. Inhale, lift up. If you need to pad the knee, that's fine. Square the hips, draw that left hip back. Exhale as you fold, step back into plank and lower the body. Inhale to lift, upward dog or back bend. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, step it through, bring the left knee down as we change sides. Inhale to lift. This time, draw the right hip back. Exhale as we fold, step back into plank, lower the body. Inhaling to lift, upward dog. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Inhale up onto the toes, step, jog or jump through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, bend the knees, come to Utkatasana and lift up. And exhale. Well done. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Might be able to feel the shift in your breath, your energy. As we move towards center, move towards Sama or balance in this flow. Let's feel the prana that we're creating. Then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, fall down with the prayer hands if that's suitable. Now you can bend your knees, bring the hands down. Inhale, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, step back with the right leg, then the left into plank. Now from here, you can bring the right knee down and lift up into side plank, step the left foot forward. Or you can tip onto the right side and lift up, left arm up into vasisthasana. See what's doable. Knee down is fine. Also foot forward is fine. And then hands to the hip, exhale. Lower through chaturanga. Inhaling to lift, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Feet together, ripple the spine forward, coming into side plank to the left side. Remember your option, knee down, forearm down is also an option. Or you may just stack, make sure your joints are stacked, bones are stacked. Still breathing. Hands to the hip, exhale, come back to chaturanga. Now this time stay down. Bring the arms down by the sides of the body for Shalambhasana. And then inhale, lift everything up. Good, breathe in, send the fingertips back. If that's too much, bring the legs down. You can also bring the hands down to help with elevating the chest. Keep breathing. And then exhale and just soften down. Good, resting one ear down or the forehead. Go in again. Inhale, this time interweave the fingers, roll the shoulders forward and lift. Try not to squeeze the glutes, send the toes back. Balancing on the breath. Keep the ujjayi going. And then exhale and soften. Opposite ear down. And bring the hands underneath the shoulders. Inhale, this time just lift up to tabletop. Walk the knees in. And exhale, slowly ease back into balasana. Pose of a child. Soften the shoulders. We'll fold over the knees if you're in the chair. Feel the flow of the breath, the flow of energy. And press the hands into the floor. Inhale, slowly lift up, come into Virasana. This doesn't suit your body, feel free to come down to seated or to come to high kneeling. Allow the eyes to close. Gently drop the chin down. Good, and then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, just bring the fingertips of the right hand down, just an easy stretch. Begin to cool down from the flow. If you want to flatten the palm down, you can. If you want to walk the hand further out, you can, but keep the knees together. You can hold the side of the chair if you're doing this from the chair and just ease out, ease over. Forearm down is another option. And squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift up, but drop the shoulders. Exhale, fingertips down in the first instance. Maybe a little sway. Maybe palm down, breathing. Maybe a further walk out, but keep the knees together. Keep lifting the chest. That's great. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale to come up. You can bring the fingertips down, cross the ankles, and sit all the way down, or just come down to seated, however is best. Inhale, point the toes. Exhale, and just fall down to wherever. You might keep the fingertips forward. You come into Upavishtakonasana. Just releasing the inner thighs. This is a variation. If this is easy for you, feel free to take the ankles, draw the toes back, and bring the chin all the way down, the forehead down. If that's easy for you, or you may be here and just stay happy. Try to soften, surrender. Good, and then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, come to comfortable seated position. However that looks for you, bring the hands together. Take an inhale. Om. And gently bow the gaze as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale to lift, prayer hands up. And exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me with this balanced flow. I hope you're feeling more balanced and centered. If you like the class, do hit the like button, leave me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you soon on the mat.